Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox games not loading on PC. First, always ensure your internet connection is stable and strong. A weak signal can prevent games from initializing properly. Close any unnecessary background applications that might be consuming bandwidth, such as streaming services or large downloads. Also, quickly verify that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Roblox, which helps avoid common performance issues before even trying to load a game. This initial check saves a lot of troubleshooting time. If your internet connection isn't the issue, corrupted game cache files often cause loading problems. Navigate to your Roblox folder, typically found in App Data, and delete the temporary files to clear the cache. For persistent issues, a complete reinstallation of Roblox can work wonders, effectively refreshing all game files and settings. Before uninstalling, remember to back up any specific custom configurations you might have. A fresh start frequently resolves even the most stubborn loading errors, ensuring a smooth gaming experience. Sometimes, your computer's security software, like a firewall or antivirus, might mistakenly block Roblox from connecting to its servers. Check your firewall settings and add Roblox as an exception to allow it full network access. You might also need to do this in your antivirus program. If you suspect this is the case, you can temporarily disable your security software for a few minutes to test if Roblox loads correctly. Remember to re-enable it immediately after your test to keep your system protected. Outdated graphics card drivers are a very common culprit when games fail to load or crash. Visit your graphics card manufacturer's website to download and install the latest drivers for your specific model. Similarly, ensure your Windows operating system is fully updated, as these updates often include critical bug fixes and performance enhancements. If you have tried all these steps and Roblox games still won't load, gather detailed information about your issue and contact Roblox support directly. They can offer more specialized assistance. Patience is key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.